What's up guys, today's video is on the top 5 best fuel injector cleaner. Through extensive research and testing, I've put together a list of options that will meet the needs of different types of buyers. So, whether it's price performance or its particular use, we've got you covered. For more information on the products, I've included links in the description box down below, which are updated for the best prices. Like the video, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. Now let's get started.
Number 5.
In our list, the number 5 product name is AUTOAND GDI Fuel Injector Cleaner. The ultrasonic fuel injector cleaner and tester machine set is a mechatronics product that simulates various operating conditions of the engine and cleans and inspects the fuel injectors of various automobiles and motorcycles. The ultrasonic fuel injector cleaner and tester machine set has various functions: ultrasonic cleaning, uniformity detection, atomization observation, tightness test, and fuel injection volume detection, reverse flush, etc. The fuel injector cleaner and tester machine has 6 cylinders and a 2000 ml high-capacity ultrasonic cleaning tank, which can clean and test 6 fuel injectors simultaneously. Ultrasonic cleaning is to use the penetrating and cavitational shock waves generated when ultrasonic waves propagate in the medium to perform strong cleaning on objects with complex shapes, cavities, and pores, and completely remove the stubborn carbon deposits on the injector. The function of injector diagnostic is to detect the atomization, dripping, blockage, fuel injection angle status of the fuel injectors, and the size and balance of the fuel injection of each fuel injector at different speeds, including low speed test, medium speed test, high speed test, accelerating test, variable speed test, leakage test, idle speed spray volume test, medium speed spray volume test, high speed spray volume test, and unit info. The product supports more than 98% of gasoline injectors and motorcycle injectors on the market. It can clean and test GDI, EFI, FSI injectors, etc. Compatible with Mercedes-Benz, BMW, Audi, Porsche, Ford, and other direct injection engines. Adopt the latest and unique GDI injector driver software, with multiple voltage outputs, 12V, 70V, and 120V. You can choose the right injector voltage for cleaning or testing according to the injector type. The fuel injector diagnostic and cleaning equipment adopts microcomputer oil pressure closed-loop control cleaning and detection technology, equipped with a TFT touch color screen, pressure adjustment, voltage selection of injectors, and multifunctional buttons, which are designed to monitor injector detection and fuel dynamic value in real time, making your operation process easier. There are 2 years warranty for the main unit and 1 year warranty for the accessories.
Number 4.
In our list, the number 4 product name is Universal Fuel Injector Cleaning Tool. Professional cleaner tool. Improper cleaning of automobile fuel system will lead to TWC blockage and poisoning. Fuel Injector Cleaner Kit is a professional fuel injector cleaner, which can help you clean the whole fuel system quickly and simply, including TWC, intake manifold, throttle and exhaust pipe, etc. EFI Electronic Fuel Injection System. There are 2 types of electronic fuel injection system: throttle or electronic injection. One engine with fuel return pipe, another one engine without fuel return pipe. Throttle model. The way of connection is the same as EFI system, just adjust the pressure of the air source 1 to 5 psi. Advantage of non-dismantle injector: can operate non-dismantle cleaning to fuel system. It can operate cleaning air induction system, optional pipe clamp, fast and safe, multiple connectors. Match most European Union, Asian, American cars and light trucks. Multifunctional fuel injection cleaner tool. The non-dismantle cleaner has a special handling one-way valves to seal up gas and durable pressure regulating valves. In addition, It also has anti-corrosion, anti-friction connectors for fast connection and anti-friction oil tubes for all cleaning fluid. Does not include cleaning fluid, only suitable for gasoline injectors, not for diesel injectors. Notes and after-sale service. This cleaning kit is only suitable for gasoline injectors, not for diesel injectors. In addition, this product not contain cleaning fluid. For damage caused by non-human factors, we promise to resend parts for free within 3 years.
Number 3.
In our list, the number 3 product name is Kepking Fuel Injector Cleaner Tester Tools Automotive. Fuel Injector Tester and Cleaner. CT200 Injector Cleaner can be used both for cleaning and testing injectors. Perfectly suited for removing carbon from your fuel system, testing leaking, sprayability, and testing fuel injectors in different situations. High-tech ultrasonic cleaning. Built-in ultrasonic mechanism. Different from the traditional way, it works by sending an ultrasonic vibration signal to the injector nozzle through the pulse signal line, which makes the stubborn carbon deposit jitter strongly and removes it more thoroughly. Efficient and labor-free. 6 injectors can be tested and cleaned at one time. Support reverse cleaning and on-vehicle cleaning. Plus, it can also be used on 8 cylinders, twice tests will do. Portable and durable. Tool trolley makes it more convenient to operate. Equipped with high-quality pump, which makes it more endurable. 3-year warranty for damage caused by non-human factors. We promise to resend parts for free within 3 years. For any needs, you are warmly welcome to contact us and we will get back to you ASAP within 24 hours.
Number 2.
In our list, the number 2 product name is Seafoam IC5 Fuel Injector Cleaner. Treats up to 25 gallons PS, lost acceleration and rough idling for improved performance. Jet fuel serves as the carrier for the active ingredient, helps recover lost MPG and reduce exhaust emissions (NTS), creating a high-quality additive for easy auto care. Add this fuel injector treatment to your vehicle regularly when you fill your gas tank. Friction modifier in the fuel additive combats upper cylinder friction. The product is 5.25 ounces, fuel treatment, for gasoline LPG and diesel fuel, contains no alcohol/solvent/kerosene/diesel fuel, lubricates rings and cylinder walls for longer life, increases mileage, cleans and lubricates valves, pumps, carburetors, and injectors. Cleans fuel injectors, intake valves and ports to restore performance, fuel economy and prevents future carbon buildup, which reduces emissions.
Number 1.
In our list, the number 1 product name is Leaky Molly Fuel Injection Cleaner. Cleans contaminated petrol injection systems, removes carbon deposits and deposits from fuel pipes, fuel distributors, injection and inlet valves. Therefore, no starting problems and no lean surging, smoother idling, good throttle response, low pollution, and environmentally compatible combustion. Promotes accurate injector dosing and fuel atomization. Your engine regains its original performance. Fuel consumption is reduced. Especially suitable for engines with catalytic converters.